Good morning, guys, or good afternoon. I'm Bastien from BVN Real Estate. Here showing a lot of a quarter acre, a bit bigger. We are south on the Bay of San Juan. Not sure if you see, but straight there, the Bay of San Juan del Sur. So we are like at 1.5 or 2 kilometers flying distance, or 1.5 kilometers flying distance from the beach. Will it be a 15-minute walk, 20-minute walk to join the south part of the bay? And we have next to us only nice neighborhood. So it's not a gated community, but it's a residential area. So we have properties there, here. We are next to some very nice property. Next of us, one online called normally still Casa Paulina. One just down on this street called Casa Mykonos. They are, I will say, between the nicest property you will find in San Juan del Sur. So to arrive on our land, we have like a 200 meters road. The coastal road pass just down. So we are on top of hill. It's a soft hill, so any cars can go and any years with access. So you see the power line is just next to our lot. Pass on the road, the water also, of course. Normally you have to do your own septic, so I guess the rule also apply here. So the lot has one first part, which is like I would say a stage, and could it be 30% of the property. It's like a triangle on this side, and it goes down on the road. So here is a bit more deep, but it's still very acceptable. So it goes to finish near to this tree, probably like 4 meters then. There's the fence line who goes. So we have like a rectangle. On my right, a wall built with different units, 3 units. Some trees. So we have behind us, I will say, a majestic Guanacaste tree. So you can totally imagine your parking lot over there, say hi to the Guanacaste, and then passing the Guanacaste, the property. So we have a large terrace, and we will see the beach all year, no worry. We see the water on the beach, I'll see the wave. Couldn't listen the wave from here, but it's a quiet area, very residential, so it's good usually for rental. All the property around will be rent in the weekend. We are near Easter, and of course on Easter's holiday is a very busy time for us in San Juan del Sur.